Hello YouTube, a very good morning from Sandakphu. The time now is about 5:15, the temperature -1.3. It is extremely cold and we are out here for the sunrise, but there is the cloud cover is very dense. I'm not sure whether we would be able to see the sunrise. Let me show you all around. Just a minute. So this is how it looks now. There's a dense cover of cloud and fog everywhere. And that's ice. Anyway, we'll carry on to the viewpoint and we'll catch you up a little later. So we are at Sandakphu, and this point that we are at now is literally the highest point in Sandakphu. So technically now we are standing at the highest point in West Bengal. That's the east from where we expect the sunrise. If you see there, that's our hotel, and that is where we should see the Kanchenjunga from. So yeah, we'll be here for some time, and if we do see the Kanchenjunga, we'll get to y'all. Bye-bye. So that's the Sandakphu viewpoint where we came down from. Unfortunately, we could not see the Kanchenjunga. This is how it looks. There's ice all around. Going back to the hotel, it is extremely cold here. It is still below zero for sure.
-1.4 last I checked.
Okay.
About an hour back.
Okay, so Shivajit says it was -1.4 about an hour back, and I am sure it hasn't made much of a difference till now. But the experience has been beautiful so far. This is how it is.
Chilliest weather I've ever experienced.
Absolutely. Okay guys, I'm going now. My hands are literally freezing. See you all in a while. So this is the place we were staying in, Sunrise Hotel and Restaurant. You can take a screenshot for the phone numbers, and this is how the property looks. And the weather is still pretty bad. There is no view at all. Kanchenjunga should have been somewhere that side, but nothing now. So we would be going back to Manebhanjan in a while, and from there go to Mirik again to get our luggage and carry on to someplace else. We're not sure where we're going, but I will keep all of you posted. So stay tuned, and if you've liked the video till now, do hit a like, subscribe, and press the notification bell. So hey guys, so on the way to Darjeeling, we just stopped by at this place. I'm not sure what the name of this place is, but this is just after Lepcha Jagat. Beautiful, a very beautiful place, nice tall trees. This is how it looks. So let's go inside the forest a little bit and see. Wow, amazing. So if you're on this route or close to Lepcha Jagat, you should definitely come to this place. So this is how it looks, and you can go anywhere you want to. So getting back on the road again after spending some lovely time here. Let me show you around a bit. So this is how it looks. Okay, I hope you all have enjoyed this lovely place, and if you did and enjoyed the video till now, do subscribe and hit the like button. That's all for now from here, somewhere close to Lepcha Jagat, and I'll see you all on the road again. Just crossed the Ghum station on the way to Darjeeling now. And with us on my left, if you can see the tracks, are the tracks of the toy train. So this is the famous toy train of Darjeeling. So we are in Darjeeling now, heading towards Mall Road. Looking for a place to stay. The traffic in Darjeeling is pretty killing, I must say. Okay, that's all for now. There is nothing much to show here except the traffic. So once we check into the hotel, I will get back to y'all, and yeah, see y'all a little later. Hey, good morning everyone. So this is the room we are in Darjeeling. Yeah, this is how it looks like. It's a nice British era room with high roofs, and yeah, there's a ventilator. Very nice room. Yeah, that's the fireplace, and that is Shubhajit.
Hey.
The TV, and here's the bathroom. So yeah, it was a nice stay, and now we will go up to the sunrise point to see the Kanchenjunga, if we can see the Kanchenjunga, and then we'll carry on to Mirik. So that's it. The room is pretty messed up now, like always. this is how the entrance to the room looks. Now I'm going from the room towards the reception. Nice, isn't it? The window is this side. Going here, and let me show you the front of the hotel. Yeah, so this is how it is. Darjeeling at 8 in the morning. We are here. That's Shivajit's bike, that's mine, and this is the name of the hotel, Hotel Alice Villa. I will leave the phone number to this hotel in the description. And the sky looks pretty clear today, so we should get a view of the Kanchenjunga. Let's see, there is a viewpoint here. We need to go up this road, and there's a viewpoint up there somewhere. So let's go there and see if we can view the Kanchenjunga. So yeah, that's for now. That's all for now. And after having breakfast, we'll hit the road towards Murik. So see you all on the road.
So yeah, Manebanjan is on the right, 7 kilometers.